So my name's Meredith Smith, and this is the entrance for the new youth center. This is my weekly update from the last one, and here's the youth center. So this is the porch area. People can sit down and just look outside through the windows. And if you come over here, we have the coffee shop where you can get some coffee and you can get cool drinks. And in here, this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen right here. And over here, we will have the washing machine. And over here, we will have the stove. Now, we walk out here. Right in here are the two bathrooms, the girls and the boys' bathroom. It hasn't made much progress, but they painted it right outside and inside. And then if you come in here, is the stage right there, and we'll have seats out here. And if you come up the steps here, you can see the loft upstairs where we will have games and TVs for the youth to play. We are not allowed to go in here right now, but you can take a little peek through here. So now we're going to go back downstairs, and I'm going to show you the other staircase with the handicap lift. You come over here, there's another staircase right here, and if you come back here, you have the handicap lift. Right back here, it'll go up and down for people with wheelchairs so they can get up. Now I'm going to show you some classrooms in the youth center. We're going to have to walk through the stage area to get to the classroom. So this is the stage area, like I said. There'll be seats. Right in here, we have some classrooms. Right in here, we have two classrooms. And my dad said that they're going to have a wall right here to separate the two classrooms. Now, if you come over here, right in here, you can make recording of anything, videos or radio, things on the radio. And in here, we have some storage. So we're done with the youth center, but now we're going to go show the offices. But before we get to the offices, you can see the cross right there, and that was the original cross. So over here is the offices. Cooler in here. So, right in here, room 214, we will have an office right in here, and then an office right in here, and another office right here. So we're going to have 3 offices right in this room. And that's it for today. Next week, I can show you another next what's happening. So thank you.